Hello everyone, my name is Divine Kingsley. I am a graphic designer. So a lot of people think design is all about making flyers, but unfortunately I'm gonna shock you that it's actually about helping businesses to grow, like helping businesses get lots of customers and also grow in it. Get me? So let me just tell you something about myself. I started learning design because I wanted to, not someone wanted to. I wanted to create something valuable, and every day I'm getting better in it. Very, very better in it. So I know most of you are just sharing some of my designs, PixelLab tips, creative ideas, and my journey as a designer. You're gonna love it. Okay, so if you are a business owner, a content creator, or someone who loves creativity, there are some people who just naturally love creativity just like me. Okay, so if you just love it, let me just tell you now, because you are at the right place. If you love it, if you want to do some of the designs, many more of them, the flyers. So I'm gonna tell you, please follow, subscribe, and support my journey as I get to do it. Okay, so and if you need any flyer design, logo, social media design, just feel free to just contact me. Yeah, you can contact me anytime. I always say 24 hours, yes, 24/7. 24/7. Just add the 7, just write 24, then slash it and put 7. I'm always active. So let's go together, and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much.